In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Patreon. To get started, open Patreon and head to the left-hand navigation sidebar. From there, click Create and then choose Post. This takes you into the Post editor, which is where you'll upload your content and prepare it for your audience. If you're sharing downloadable files, media posts, or bonus content for members, this is the main place you'll work from. Once you're in the editor, choose the type of media you want to upload. At the top, you'll usually see options like image, video, and audio. Select the one that matches the file you want to share. If you want more flexibility, hover on a new line in the editor and click the plus icon. This lets you add inline elements or downloadable attachments directly into the post. That option is especially useful if you want to include a file alongside written content instead of making the entire post just one media type. After that, add the basic information for your post, enter a title, since that part is required, and then include an optional description or body text if you want to give your audience more context. This is a good place to explain what the file is, how to use it, or anything your members should know before downloading or viewing it. Clear titles and descriptions can also help your audience find content more easily later. Next, look over to the Settings panel on the right-hand side and choose who can access the file. You can make the post public, available to all members, or restricted to specific paid tiers. This is an important setting, so take a moment to double-check it before publishing, especially if the file is meant to be exclusive content. When everything looks right, you can either publish the post immediately or schedule it for later. If you want the file to go live right away, click Publish. If you're planning content in advance, choose a schedule date so the post is automatically published at the time you set. It's also helpful to know Patreon's general file support before uploading. For images, common formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF are supported. For audio, formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A are supported, with files up to 5 gigabytes. For video, Patreon supports formats like MP4 and MOV, and videos can be up to 12 hours long. For general attachments, standard file uploads are typically limited to somewhere between 2 and 5 gigabytes per file, depending on the file type, and that's how to upload files to Patreon. If you prepare the right format, choose the correct access settings, and review everything before publishing, the process is quick and straightforward.